With the morning turning over.
First of all, I just want to thank God. Dahil sa dami ng tao sa mundo, ikaw ang binigay niya sa akin. Salamat kasi sa bawat pagod at stress ko, ikaw yung naging pahinga ko.
Parang kailan lang nung sinasabi ko, hindi na ako maghahanap ng boyfriend. But now, look, hindi pa din ako makapaniwala na I'm saying this vows thing.
Where we go from here, where the sun meets the horizon line, you and me standing the test of time. Two hearts run free, we're never looking.
Aldrin and Nikki, in your married life, put God at the center of your married or family life.
Ikaw ang
Meaning in the
Are you
moment,
happy, guys?
we take our time to breathe it in. Every flower slowly opens.
Nikki, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa ni Prince Aldrin na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin at ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Where the sun meets the horizon line, you and me stand in the test of time. Two hearts run free, we're never looking back. This love was made to last. This love was made to last.
Sa pagtanggap mo, sa buong pagkatao ko, di man ako perpekto, pero sa piling mo, gusto kong maging mas mabuting tao para sa atin at para sa magiging pamilya.
Feel the world turn into a brand new day. Watch the rising of the sun. Shadows start to run. Standing at the start of something great. See the hope that lines the sky, and we'll let it be our guide. I won't close my eyes. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights. Going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows. Going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. On to something good.
Alam mo naman na lagi ako nagdadasal bago tayo matulog, di ba? Pero noon, never ko isinali kay Lord or kay God na sana bigyan niya ako ng boyfriend. Until one night, one of my friends asked us to visit a church. And yes, this very church, I prayed, Lord, if meron man kayong plano na bigyan ako ng makakasama sa buhay, sana po yung panghabang buhay na po. They said God's timing is never early, never late, but just right on time. And then, you came.
Continue learning. I never meant to do those things to you. And so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I found a to change who I used to be. A reason to start over new. And the reason is
Love is not selfish. Love seeks to make happy rather than to be happy. To be one is not only looking into one another's eyes, but looking together in the same direction, the same goal. It is sharing not only a bodies, but a mind and soul.
Val, I want to say sorry if first I made things difficult. At first, I truly regret being cold and for pushing you away as if you meant nothing. When in truth, you were already becoming my everything.
to change who I used to be. A reason to start over new.
Believe me, I was just scared at that time because you felt too good to be true and you were exactly the man I prayed for that night. But fate taught me that the right person doesn't arrive when you're ready, but when your heart is open. So God, open my heart to you.
Mula ngayon at habang buhay kong ipinapangako na mamahalin kita sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya.
And the reason is you. And the reason is you.
And because of that, I said yes to you, not just one, but twice right in front of Him. Val, no matter where life leads you, I'll be by your side always. I promise that nothing will ever come between us. I'll cherish you, honor you, and love you with all of my heart. Thank you for being my home. I love you.